government wants, they have a voice in, you know, you just can't record it. You just can't build a daycare in your house unless you get permission.
Yeah.
And that protects property values. People, they want some stability and control, so they can go too far too. So
I found it interesting how like when everyone started placing stuff, things started clashing.
Yeah.
So you have to have like a sense of like what's
Yeah.
going on.
Right, you have to go a little
keep some
slower.
order and structure.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, and when we started, we were able to kind of communicate with each other, but as things picked up,
Right.
that's what, so I don't know if that's something that the planning department can actually facilitate, or the city, but like, how do you build up dialogue around, you know, how people coordinate some of their intentions and stuff like that? Like,
That's kind of what the goal of this, to lead to larger discussions.
Yeah, and in zoning too, if you want to do changes, we got to notify everyone 300 feet away, like a circle, which you have a due process, you have a chance to speak. So. Yeah. Oh,
We're not restaurants, but like mixed uses. Yeah, that we could use for like apartments and stuff.
Because we want to create spaces for young people to stay as well, right? So maybe you're going to college and you don't want to leave, not like Alondra, you know, because she's a superstar, she's going to be out at UM, but some people want to go to Wayne State. And so say there's 3 of you that get together and you can afford to move in and stay in the community and rent a 2-3 bedroom apartment. So those are things that we want to engage young people and also like assess, like what is a comfortable rental pricing, you know, that you could be able to. Israel, did you learn anything?
I guess when we first started, we were doing a little bit, we were doing well with like the community center over there. But as I realized, we added like another like playground, bicycle set, and swimming area that we already had that at the community center. But we did good with like the parking there too and stuff. But there definitely wasn't enough parking. Not enough parking observation.
How old are you?
I'm 10.
10. Wow. Aware of parking is. That's what I mean. Like anybody can participate in the planning process.
Xavier,
Be surprised.
anything new? Interesting? No?
Can I ask a question?
right.
I don't know, it's any, related to any of us. The ground, like, can the hospital be on top of one of these, similar to gas stations, similar to, or is the area with the ground, the land?
Land.
You mean like, are you talking in reference to like
Like, we're not
contamination?
Can the hospital be in the same place where the gas station is, the land? I mean, different lands.
You mean-
The district, the lands are district, like,
Lands are different from place to place.
Oh, you mean like just the actual soil, or do you mean like a contaminated site or anything?
Yeah, all of them. Like,
Oh,
can we put 3-4 things different?
Oh, to get like next,
different.
they're very
In
different.
the same area? Like,
that and
just
that and that's what the zoning. So that's a good question. That's what the zoning actually regulates. So in a zoning district, you have a whole list of uses that can happen in that area. So it's not just one use that can happen, but it's a
right
whole.
now we're putting trees.
Right,
and we're
right,
putting
right.
It's like, oh, it's another
Right.
like,
Exactly.
this land will take my tree and like.
So the zoning will say like on this land right here, you can do trees, you can do gas stations, you can do.
Like they tell you, you're allowed to do these, but
Yeah.
So when you look at the actual ordinance, the laws, that always lists things that you can.
Onyx and Ulysses, that stuff that they do. Yeah.
So that's what zoning is. That's what we got.
oh, thanks.
So this time, is thinking with us.
Great.
We thank the CPC department, Chris and Kamani, for spending the evening with us and coming out and
Thanks for
teaching
having
us a little bit about zoning. And we really hope that you guys stay engaged, stay in contact with us. Please just make sure you have your information on the sign-up sheet so we can continue to give you information. As we do our project, we want to partner with COC and help them build the capacity for their projects, and hopefully we'll be building their project. So, and utilizing as many youth in terms of exposing them to different workforce development
curious. Anybody think they might be interested in urban planning?
My daughter is. My daughter?
Your daughter?
Yeah, but she's not here anymore.
Rio, are you interested?
We gotta find a way to.
Urban planning after this?
Sure, I'm interested in that.
Okay. Rio's interested also.
Okay.
Got another?
And maybe through the ambassadors, so, just back to these other things, like,
Yep.
I would love to just continue to champion the food portion of it, like, just continue to drive that portion. Because there's enough people involved in, like, adult lives that are involved, but if we could continue this conversation and maybe have a follow-up, straight, yeah, have to figure
This was an excellent group.
Yeah, COC, when I say look them up, PHC does amazing things, but COC, what hands-on, with youth organizing and getting involved, hands-on, they are involved.
You're the head of the.
AGI.
They were really involved to.
That's the construction company.
Gotcha.
Are you guys still here? Are you finished this right yet? No, not yet. Which Creek? Oh,
All right, that's exciting.
they're seniors, so, yeah. Awesome. All right, well, thank you guys. Have a safe trip home.